Good morning, guys. I'm switching up the format on you. I'm on the top right side of your screen now. Look, guys, this morning I trained you guys. If you guys want to learn, like I said yesterday, how to win, we are at 286 wins in a row. Let me check real quickly for trade setups. We're at 289 wins in a row with 0 losses with the strategy that we have started. Okay, we restarted this in February 2022. This morning, I want to take you guys to the next level. You guys have not seen me do this. If you are just watching me for the first time on YouTube and you're like, what the heck? It's actually possible to win 100 trades in a row. Yes, it is possible to win 100 trades. We're at 289 trades in a row. In the feature forecast this morning, get a membership at tradeconfident.io. You'll get 25% off because you're a new member and we just think you're awesome. That's in the description. I'm actually going to walk through you guys in the video this morning I did of what my protocol is to walk down the list of cryptos and find cryptocurrencies that meet the criteria for 289 wins and 0 losses. Show you guys what I look at, let you in behind the scenes, how we even call it out as a team at Trade Confident here. I've never done it like this before. I told you yesterday in the YouTube video, if you guys are following this channel, I'm going to give you confidence today on Tuesday of how to look at the markets, how to find trade setups, and how to learn from someone. Look, guys, I said this as well. You have $1,000 on the sidelines. You're like, I want to get into the market. I want good risk management. I want to be part of those people who are pulling out this type of trade record where our ledger is just win after win after win. 4% in the bear market. We switched to 10%, and we've just been crushing these 10% over and over and over again. You want to learn how to do this. I know you guys do because you're looking for a way to make money. Bills are probably tight. How do you trade a market that's volatile with good risk management? I'll show that to you guys this morning. On top of this, I have not pulled this chart out for such a long time, but we're actually going to go into what we call the trader EQ, where I'm going to show you guys the difference. I'm going to mock this up real quick because it'll be kind of fun for all of us to watch this. I'm going to show you guys the difference, and this is not derogatory, so nobody bash me in the comments. But I'm literally going to show you guys the difference between what we call dumb, okay? Dumb. Wow. Whoa. Now I look like that right now because I can't spell this at all. Hold on. D-U-M-B. Dumb money. Okay. Versus smart money. Okay. You're about to go up against billion-dollar institutions. Do you literally think you can outsmart billion-dollar institutions? Because what I'm going to teach you guys this morning, I know you can go and click on another YouTube video where you can watch a bunch of hopium about the market going up or maybe crashing and get a lot of good stimulus. That's what dumb money does. They follow emotions. What I need to teach you guys about and prep you about from working in this market for 10 years is this. Smart money, the first thing they do, guys, is they do not get you to buy. What they will end up doing is they will actually get you to be emotional. Once you're emotional, they know if they can get you emotional, what you'll do is you will then buy or you will sell. They are able to get you, based off our price structure, is into an emotional state where your emotions then click buttons. And when your emotions click buttons, guys, this is when you make the worst decisions. What you need to do is learn how does smart money navigate the market on purpose. Let me get this out of my face here. On purpose so they beat all dumb money. The next stage we're going into, guys, you are being hunted. The goal of smart money, this stage, is to take all of your money away from you. Do you realize that? Or do you think this is going to be just like a nice walk in the park where you can just go ride Bitcoin up, dunk on all the institutions and say, look, I took all the money away from you? No, they're not going to allow you to do that. This is why so many people lose. The parabolic moves takes over and they make a fat zero of gains. And from that, sometimes they even go down 60 to 80% based off cyclical downturns and bear markets for crypto. You guys need to actually see, I have a full schematic I'm going to give you guys this morning of what smart money does and what dumb money does. And if you can understand the difference, you guys, I promise you, will be miles ahead of your other traders when it comes to trading cryptocurrency. Because look, guys, the next stage in this market is an absolute parabolic move to one side or the other. This setup we have right here, where we have consolidation in the market. Look at this. See this top right here? See the bottom consolidation right around this area? What do you guys see? We've come down and we've hit another touch on the ascending support line. This setup is the exact same setup we all just lived through right here. The same one. There's no difference, guys. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. That was terrible. Here's the bottom right here. And what do we see? We got the 1, 2, 3 touch. Bears think that this entire market's going to crash down to $75,000 again. If the bulls are right, we're about to head into an absolutely parabolic move that is going to shock people coming next. And that move in the market, guys, ended up going up so fast, it moved up 38% in 9 days. So what are you going to do with your emotions if the market completely collapses here and goes back down? Or what are you going to do if it starts moving back up? Guys, you need to have your emotions ready for what comes next. Because once you have them in check, I promise you guys, you're going to make better decisions. The people who do this and they use emotions and they get excited and then they click buttons, they're going to lose. And if you've been in this market as long as I have, working really hard for the last 3 years for accumulation to finally exit, you need to understand how to do this. Okay? So in the description, the first link is to our membership. You guys will get 25% off that if you guys are new members. Watch this future forecast. Click this link. I'm going to give you guys the schematic. It's actually right here. This is what it looks like for dumb money and smart money. And then we're going to talk about just the most crucial levels that you better be paying attention to because this market is going to turn in days. And if you're not positioned well with risk management, you're just going to be stuck holding the bag or you're not going to have enough in the market. I want to show you guys how to do this correctly. And so this is this is a big video newsletter for what we just came out with in the future forecast. So watch that, guys. We did call a new trade setup out this morning. So all of you guys know that. So we are working on our 290th win. I think we'll probably hit 300 wins. If the market takes off to the upside, guys, we're going to be quickly over 300 wins and 0 losses in no time. If you want to learn this strategy, come in here and watch how I literally walk through the charts this morning and show you how I pick trade setups. Guys, subscribe for 1 month, learn everything, and just unsubscribe the next month. That's okay. Learn what you need to learn, get the discounts on all the coupon codes we have for our members, and walk away and learn a skill for the rest of your life. I'm giving you guys that opportunity. We charge $65 a month. I'm being transparent with you. We give you 25% off that. It's $49. Watch it all. Take all the indicators. Take all the coupon codes that you want, and you can unsubscribe next month if you would like. Okay? Learn this skill so you know how to make money in any market. So if you've got something coming up, like Christmas coming up, you have a vacation coming up, you've got money on the sidelines, you need to learn how do you actually siphon money out of the market to make $500, $5,200, $4,300, 16%, $950. I'm up $3,200 in the last 3 days, bro. Love that. How do you learn this? You need to learn from someone who has a track record that has not lost since February of 2022. Okay? Learn this, guys, and you will learn a skill for the rest of your lives. Get over to tradeconfident.io, watch the future forecast, grab the indicators for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next future forecast on Friday as I update you guys on where the market's heading next. I love you guys. Bye-bye.